Okay, as you can see that I've got the scrubber and the squeegee just following and just making sure that the entire piece of glass is wet as you squeegee, otherwise it becomes pretty difficult. You just wet it first up most times to get it going, and then you just follow the scrubber along as it wets it along like that. Okay, I thought I'd try it on big windows there, and you can see it soaks it up pretty quick, and it's pretty easy. There. I'll get the squeegee, and as you'll see, it goes pretty quick. Just take your time, right up to the edges. As you can see, as long as you've got plenty of water on the glass, you'll always squeegee with this. It shouldn't be a problem. Okay, here you can see that the squeegee goes up high, so you're not overreaching, and when you go down, you're not bending that far down, so it's a sort of comfortable height. Okay, I just thought I'd show you another way. You're scrubbing, same thing, you're following the scrub up with the squeegee, but you're walking back and you're cleaning as you go. It's a pretty quick way of doing it as well. Well, anyway, I think that's about it.